Good morning, children. In the lesson Algebraic Expression and Identities, you have already completed addition and subtraction of expressions, multiplication of expressions. Now, the next topic is identities. The word is written here as identities. In chapter 1, you have heard of this word as additive identity and multiplicative identity. What is it? Do you remember? Additive identity is always 0 because when any number is added with 0, you are getting the same number. What is the multiplicative identity of a number? It is always 1 because when you multiply a number with 1, the number repeats. So, additive identity is 0 and multiplicative identity is 1 in case of any numbers. What is the meaning of identities in the lesson algebraic expressions, or what is its application in algebra? Let's take the expansion of a plus 1 into a plus 2 as you were doing a binomial into a binomial. Let us get the answer of a plus 1 into a plus 2, or let us get the product of a plus 1 into a plus 2. A into a plus 2 plus 1 into a plus 2, or a square plus 2a plus 1a plus 2, or a square plus 3a plus 2. That is, a plus 1 into a plus 2 is the same as a square plus 3a plus 2. Now, can we call it as an identity? Yes, because substitute the value of a as 0, get an answer for LHS. LHS equal to 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2, which is equal to 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Similarly, RHS is equal to 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 2. 0 square is 0, 3 into 0 is 0, equal to 2. Therefore, LHS and RHS are equal for the value of A is equal to 0. Let's take one more example of A as minus 1. What will be the LHS answer? LHS is minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 2. That is 0 into 1, which is equal to 0. Similarly, let's check with RHS as minus 1 the whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 the whole square is positive 1 plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Again, LHS equal to RHS. Thus, in algebraic expressions, you can say that a plus 1 into a plus 2 is equal to a square plus 3a plus 2 is an identity because for any value of a in this particular problem or in any problems, what happens is the LHS and the RHS balances. So, we call such expressions as identities in algebra. Now, with the help of these expansions of a binomial with binomial, you are going to derive the most important identities in algebra of a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b into a minus b, and x plus a into x plus b. These 4 identities are the basic of algebraic expressions, which are very, very useful in your higher classes too. Let's derive it, and even if you know it from the 7th standard, let's see how that identities have been derived. To get the identities, let's take the product of, for the first identity, let us take the product of a plus b into a plus b. A plus B is a binomial. A plus B is another binomial. What is the meaning of A plus B into A plus B? Let's get the answer or the product. A plus B into A plus B is equal to, how you are deriving? A into A plus B plus B into A plus B. A into A plus B plus B into A plus B. Which is the same as, what is A into A? It is A square plus A into B, AB plus B into A is another AB plus B square. Now, the like terms as 1AB and 1AB will be added as 2AB or A square plus 2AB plus B square. Likewise, you did A into A as A square. Let us rearrange the left hand side as A plus B whole square, because A plus B into A plus B is the same as A plus B the whole square. So what is the first identity is A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. The meaning of A plus B the whole square is A plus B into A plus B, like you are taking the meaning of 2 square as 2 into 2. So what is the first identity is A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Similarly, let us take the expansion of another two binomials A minus B and A minus B. That means the same binomial getting multiplied itself is the same as A into A minus B, the minus B into A minus B, which is the same as A into A square minus AB, B into A, arrange AB, negative into negative is positive, B square. Again, minus 1AB minus 1AB is minus 2AB or A square minus 2AB plus B square. So what is the second identity? A minus B the whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. The only difference is the negative symbol in the second term, and B square term is always positive. A square term is always positive even if it is A plus B or A minus B. It is a direct identity. What is the third product you are going to take is A plus B into A minus B to get the third identity. The same expansion as A into A minus B plus B into A minus B, which is the same as A into A is A square minus AB plus AB plus into minus is minus B square. Positive AB and negative AB getting cancelled. So what is the identity? A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. That is the third identity. So the identities which you need to learn thoroughly are the first identity of A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. The second identity of A minus B the whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. The third identity of A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. These are the three major identities in the beginning. And let's go on into the fourth identity. Let's take the expansion or product of x plus a into x plus b. Remember, let it be plus a and plus b. Let's take the product of x plus a into x plus b. x plus a into x plus b can be expanded as x into x plus b plus a into x plus b, which is the same as x square plus bx plus ax plus ab. And how do you group it? If it is 1x plus 2x, the concept is 1 plus 2, that is 3x. If it is 7x plus 8x, it is 7 plus 8, 15x. So if it is bx plus ax, you can take the common factor x outside and a plus b plus ab. Even if it is b plus a or a plus b, addition is also commutative. So what is the fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. The fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. All these three identities can be directly applied, whereas the fourth identity, x plus a into x plus b, when it comes into the problems, you may have to arrange the values of a and b with the sign of the numbers. Let's work it out and then understand the concept clearly. Let's move on to the exercise questions based on these identities. Learn the identities thoroughly, then refer to the video. The same type of questions will repeat in class 9 too. Exercise 9.5, question number 1. I hope the identities are thoroughly studied before application. Even if we are going to write the identity in each of the questions here so that it will be thorough while you are writing the exam too. Use the identities. You are not supposed to use binomial with binomial now because they are the same binomials. So x plus 3 into x plus 3. First of all, it can be written as x plus 3 the whole square. So what is the identity? Write the identity always as a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You can call your a as x and b as 3. You can directly apply because directly the identity is given to you. Therefore, x plus 3 the whole square is the same as, instead of a square, you can put x square plus 2 into a is x into 3 plus 3 square. Or what is the answer? X square plus 2 into 3 is 6x plus 9. So the answer is x square plus 6x plus 9. X square is one term, 6x is another term, 9 is another term. Nothing can be added if they are all unlike terms. So the answer is x square plus 6x plus 9. Similarly, what is 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5 can be taken as 2y plus 5 the whole square. Your a is 2y, your b is 5. See, why did we use bracket here is for this purpose. If you have 2y as the first term, both 2 as well as y will get square. So that is why always retain the answer with a bracket. Same way, the identity you are going to use is a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is the same as 2y the whole square, bracket is compulsory, plus 2 into 2y into 5 plus 5 square, which can be written as 2 square is 4. So 4y square plus 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 5, 20y plus 25. This is the final answer. Similarly, Now the identity of a minus b the whole square. The matter is the same way. Let's do it as 2a minus 7 the whole square. Your a is 2a, your b is 7. No need of considering the sign because you have the direct identity of a minus b the whole square. Identity you are applying is a minus b the whole square. The negative sign is already there in the identity. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So, which is the same as, therefore 2a minus 7 the whole square can be written as 2a, bracket is compulsory, minus whole square, minus 2 into 2a into 7 plus 7 square, which is the same as 4a square. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28a plus 49. The next one again, this can be written as 3a minus half the whole square. What is identity you are using? A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Your a is 3a, your b is half. Therefore, 3a minus half the whole square can be written as 3a the whole square minus, apply like this, 2 into 3a into half plus 1 by 2 the whole square, which is the same as 3a the whole square means 9a square. Now, this 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. Minus 3a plus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4. The fifth one, the third identity of a plus b into a minus b. Identity is a plus b into a minus b is the same as a square minus b square. Therefore, 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4 is the same as 1.1 m the whole square minus 0.4 the whole square. 11 square is 121. 2 places, 1.21 m square minus 4 4s are 16. 2 places from the right, 0.16, or the answer is 1.21 m square minus 0.16. Number 6, a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. Let's arrange it for easily for you, as we can arrange as positive b square plus a square, b square minus a square. Now, it is like the identity of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Your a is b square, your b is a square. So, what will be the answer? B square plus a square into b square minus a square can be written as b square the whole square minus a square the whole square. 2 square is 4. It is the law of index. A square, a raised to m to the power of n is the same as a raised to mn. So, what will be b square? Square is 2 into 2, 4. It is b to the power of 4 minus a to the power of 4. That is the rule of law of indices. 6x minus 7, the same way the identity is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, because the terms are all same. So, 6x minus 7 into 6x plus 7 is the same as, even though a minus b into a plus b, it will be the same answer because multiplication is commutative, which is the same as 6x the whole square minus 7 the whole square. What is 6x the whole square? 36x square minus 49. Number 9. X by 2 plus 3y by 4 into x by 2 plus 3y by 4. It is of the identity a plus b the whole square. So identity a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is the question? X by 2 plus 3y by 4 the whole square is equal to x by 2 the whole square a square plus 2 into x by 2 into 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4 the whole square. What is x by 2 the whole square? X square by 4 plus. Check whether any simplification. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. That's all. So the number first 3xy by 4 plus 3y the whole square is 9, y square by 4 square is 16. So the answer is x square by 4 plus 3xy by 4 plus 9y square by 16. Identity again, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is 7a minus 9b the whole square can be arranged as 7a the whole square minus 2 into 7a into 9b plus 9b the whole square, or what is the final answer? 49a square. 2 7s are 14. What is 14 into 9? 9 4s are 36. 9 plus 3, 12. Minus 126ab plus 81b square. So under each problem, write the identity so that it will be thorough in your mind. Question number 2. Use the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab to find the following products. X plus 3 into x plus 7. The first question, x plus 3 into x plus 7. Now see, like we did in the previous problem, all the questions you write the identity. The identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. In these problems now, you write the value of a and b also. Your a value is positive 3 and your b value is plus 7, because here in this identity the general form is always with plus. So you have to substitute the values of a and b with the sign. So the identity. So what will be the answer? X plus 3 into x plus 7 is the same as x square. No change because the first term is same. Plus, you always put plus. X into a plus b plus 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 plus 3 into 7 or x square. Now 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 10x plus 21. If a and b are positive, you need not worry. Only when they are unlike sign, we have to be careful while writing the answers. Let's move ahead. Like the same method, the second question is 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Your x value is 4x. Your a value is 5, b value is 1. Therefore, 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1 is the same as x square will become 4x the whole square plus your x itself is 4x. So, 4x into 5 plus 1 plus 5 into 1, which is the same as 4x the whole square means 16x square. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 into 4, 4x into 6 plus 5, or what's the final answer? 16x square. 4 6s are 24x plus 5. This is the final answer. Subdivision 3, 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. Same way, identity is always x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Identity has to be known only with the first term, has to be the same. That's all. Now with the sign, your x value is 4x, a value is minus 5 and b value is minus 1. Simplify it as 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1 is the same as, instead of x square, you will write 4x the whole square plus. Substitution time you put only plus value, 4x into, your a is minus 5 plus minus 1. Everywhere you can retain the plus. Plus ab is minus 5 into minus 1. Next step you have to be careful. 4x the whole square is 16x square. Now, what is minus 5 plus minus 1? Minus 6 plus 4x into minus 6 plus, what is minus 5 into minus 1? It is positive 5. And the final answer is 16x square. Minus 6 into 4 is minus 24x plus 5. This is the best way of substitution so that you will not make a mistake. In the first step, the general form is always plus. So retain with the positive value there. But a and b you are substituting with the sign. The next question is 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1. 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1. Let's do that. Then you will understand it very clearly. Identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Your x value is 4x, a is positive 5, b is negative 1. Substitution as 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1 is the same as 4x the whole square plus 4x into 5 plus minus 1, everywhere retain minus 1, plus, everywhere retain plus sign, 5 into minus 1. See the final answer? 16x square plus, what is 5 plus minus 1 is positive 4. What is 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Which is the same as 16x square plus 16x minus 5. Let's continue with 5, 6 and 7. Whenever the first terms are same, you can use that identity. Whenever the first term is the same, you can use this identity of x plus a into x plus b. Identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Your x value is 2x, a value is 5y, b value is 3y. Therefore, 2x plus 5y into 2x plus 3y is the same as x square, that is 2x the whole square plus x into, that means 2x into a plus b, 5y plus 3y plus 5y into 3y, which is the same as 2x the whole square means 4x square plus 2x into 5y plus 3y, both are like terms. So 5 plus 3 is 8y plus 5 into 3 is 15y square. So what is the final answer? 4x square plus 2 8s are 16xy plus 15y square. Similarly, identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Your x is 2a square, a is plus 9, b is plus 5. How do you apply? 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5 is equal to 2a square the whole square plus 2a square into 9 plus 5 plus 9 into 5. 4a to the power of 4 plus 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 into 2, 28a square plus 45. This is number 6. And the last one, number 7, xyz minus 4. Let's do it here. Number 7, xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2. Minus 2. So the identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. What is your x value? X value is xyz. A value is minus 4. B value is minus 2. Substitute as xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2 is the same as xyz the whole square plus xyz into minus 4 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 into minus 2. Method remains the same. It's the same as x square, y square, z square. Then minus 4 plus minus 2 is minus 6 xyz. Then minus 4 into minus 2 is positive 8. So plus 8. This is the final answer. Work out the same problems once again, and for extra practice, take the worked out examples and do it. We will continue in the next class.